watery. So if there is anything I don't like about it, it's not like I don't to like about it, is the fact that it's somehow watery. So that's the only thing I don't like about it, the fact that. Hi besties, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I want us to do a product review. So there is this particular product that a lot of people have been saying a lot of things about. So guys, in today's video I want us to review this product. Okay, I want to share my own experience of this product. Okay, so this is the product we'll be talking about. It's going to be a lotion review. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So guys, the name of this product is called NIVEA Radiant and BEAUTY. This is a body lotion. This body lotion is for skin brightening. It is a skin brightening body lotion. Okay, so guys, this body lotion contains 95% of vitamin C, pure vitamin C in it, which means that this body lotion is a brightening body lotion. Yes, you know vitamin C is very good when it comes to brightening the skin. So it contains pure 95% of vitamin C. This body lotion also contains natural lightening extracts. It contains turmeric, and you know turmeric is very good when it comes to brightening the skin, when it comes to lightening the skin, when it comes to, you know, giving you this even radiant tone. Turmeric is very good for that. So it not only turmeric, this body lotion also contains orange, it contains lemon extract, it contains a lot of natural extract. This body lotion also contains 15% of SPF in it, which means this body lotion is very good when it comes to protecting your skin from sun damage. Okay, so guys, let's now review this product based on my experience. It's been a long time I've wanted to use this body lotion, so I was like, I don't know if this body lotion is going to be nice on me. And I've been seeing a lot of comments, you know, the good part and some bad comments about this body lotion too, but it has more of good comments. Okay, so finally I decided to try it. This is the second container I am using. I've been using this product for a while now. When I got this product, I had white patches. I had white patches on my skin here due to some chemical product I used a very long time ago. So the product gave me white patches here and it refused to go away. I've tried many things to clear the white patches to the extent of I bought a tube for it, but it didn't clear. So guys, I got this body lotion, the first container, and started using it. Let me be very honest with you guys. Only for 1 week. I only used it for 1 week. It cleared the white patches. Yes, the white patches right here. It cleared it. I was like, are you kidding me? So this body lotion is very good when it comes to getting rid of white patches. If you have white patches on your skin, if you have discoloration, you have some skin rashes, this body lotion is very nice for you. Guys, this is based on my own experience, okay? This is based on my own experience, okay? It is a very good body lotion. Let me show you how the texture is. So this is, are you seeing it? So this is the texture. It's not strong, is somehow watery. So if there is anything I don't like about it, it's not like I don't to like about it, is the fact that it's somehow watery. So that's the only thing I don't like about it, the fact that it's somehow watery. But apart from that, it is very nice. It is very nice. The fragrance smells so nice. It has a good fragrance. It's not harsh, it's not too much, you know, it's just calm. And I also love the fact that it can easily absorb. It easily absorbs. When you use it, it can easily absorb into your skin. Okay, it's very nice. It's very good when it comes to nourishing the skin. You know, it leaves this beautiful glow on your skin. It is a very good body lotion that you should try. This is even glow. Guys, let me be very honest with you guys. This body lotion is not a skin lightening body lotion. If you're looking for something to lighten your skin, this lotion is not for you. It is not for skin lightening, okay? This is for skin glowing. If you just want to glow your natural skin complexion, this body lotion is for you. It is for skin glowing, not for skin lightening. Because I know some persons will be like, I stay using this body lotion and I still getting dark. See, if you are bleaching your skin and you want to try this body lotion, you should have in mind that you're going to get darkened, okay? Because this body lotion is going to take it to your original complexion and start glowing it, okay? So that's how it works. This is a Nigerian product. This product is manufactured in Nigeria and it's very, very nice. It is a very good body lotion. I got this for 4,700 naira. It depends where you're getting it from, okay? Because some places they sell it for 5,000, some sell it for 6,000 naira. So it depends where you are getting it from, okay? It is very, very nice. It can also protect your skin from sun damage. It is very good when it comes to protecting your skin from sun damage, okay? Because it contains SPF in it. But the truth is the SPF it contains is not enough to protect your skin from sun damage, okay? So you need extra SPF, okay? So guys, this body lotion is also big. This is a 400 ml body lotion and it is for all skin type. In case if you are wondering if you can use this body lotion, if it's made for your skin type, yes you can. This is for all skin type. It is written here all skin type, so every skin type can use it. Like me, I'm oily skin, but I can use it. I am using it. So whether you are oily skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, you can use this body lotion. Guys, this body lotion is everything. Is everything, okay? You can still be using your bleaching product and also get this. I'll be using it during the day if you want to go out, and use your lightening product in the night, okay, so that you will not have any skin issue, okay? So you can combine it with your lightening product and you will still achieve a radiant, beautiful, glowing complexion. So guys, this is my own review about this particular body lotion. It is very nice. Like, I am not thinking of stopping using this body lotion anytime soon. So guys, if you have any question, you are free to drop it in the comment section. What do you think about this product? Have you used this product before? If yes, can you tell us about your own experience with this body lotion in the comment section? Okay, so a lot of people that want to try this body lotion will read them before they decide to try it. But based on my own, it is a yes, yes, yes for me. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, join the family. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to always subscribe so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And please make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the video, okay? See you on my next video. Bye guys.